Big news if you're planning to file taxes soon. The IRS just dropped several updates and reminders about the upcoming 2026 tax filing season. If you don't stay ahead of these changes, you could end up scrambling at the last minute. So today, I'm walking you through what's new, what's changing, and what you should do now to make your life easier when filing. Let's dive in. What's new from the IRS? First, the IRS recently put out a Get Ready message for 2026, encouraging everyone to start organizing their tax records now. That's because there are significant tax law changes under the new One Big Beautiful Bill Act, OBBBA, which affect deductions, credits, and how certain income, like tips or overtime, may be taxed. Also, on major news, the IRS is phasing out paper refund checks. For 2025 returns filed in 2026 and beyond, refunds will only be sent via direct deposit. Key dates and what to expect. Although the official 2026 filing season date hasn't been announced yet, historically the IRS begins accepting returns in late January. For reference, in 2025, filing opened on January 27th. The usual deadline remains April 15, 2026 for most taxpayers. If you expect to file later or need an extension, note that the IRS continues to support extension filing, but because refunds will only be via direct deposit, you'll want to have valid bank info on hand. What you should do right now. Host on camera with checklist overlay. Here's a quick checklist to stay ahead of the game. Gather your important tax documents, W-2s, 1099s, 1099-K, 1099-DA, digital assets, if applicable, bank and investment statements, charitable donation receipts, any documentation related to business income or side jobs. If you earn tips or overtime pay, or had large third-party payment transactions, be aware the new law may treat those differently. Keep good records. Set up or verify direct deposit info with your bank. Don't rely on old mailing addresses for paper checks. Consider filing early rather than waiting. This helps avoid last-minute rush, potential errors, and delays. If you're unsure, think about consulting a qualified tax professional or using reliable e-filing software. Things to watch out for. Because of the new tax law changes under OBBB, some deductions, credits, and reporting requirements may be different than in prior years. Don't assume things stay the same. With paper checks gone, if your direct deposit information isn't up to date, you risk delays in getting any refund you're owed. And finally, the IRS is advising early preparation to avoid mistakes or last-minute stress. All right, that's a wrap for today's update. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and share with friends who might need a heads up too. I'll keep tracking IRS updates and let you know if anything else changes. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.